I do not mean to do this. I'm really zoomed in on my pimple and my double chin and my other pimple. This is better. As you can see, we're in a new home. We actually just moved in yesterday. You can see everything is still kind of messed. Cassidy's also here. She's been helping me unpack everything. Lord bless her, because now we can actually have some space to cook tonight. My mom's coming over too later. She's bringing some things over from our old house. Some like small things that we're needing. Y'all know me, I'm not the best cook, but we've been using Home Chef for the past 4 weeks. They just deliver everything to your front door, all refrigerated or frozen. Comes in bags like these. The ingredients or the directions are
upside down.
Sorry. Everything is super easy to follow, so I'm like, cooking isn't really that difficult. So I chose this because it is perfect for fall, considering it is a wild rice Brussels sprouts harvest bowl, and just looks really fall-y and beautiful. I think we're missing something. What is this orange thing?
That's an apple.
Oh.
Is it beginner level? Yeah, it's easy.
Would anybody like a glass of wine?
I would.
Okay, tres. That wine is not good. It really leaves a sour taste in your mouth. Honestly, the bottle is so cute though. But ew.
I got it.
I know, it's so cute. I'm proud of you, but...
See, it was actually like $9. But
I can tell. No, it's funny.
No, there's like a psychological thing where...
No, but you told me it was $22 and I was still like, I don't care, I don't like it. So if there's a book I was reading all about like the science of eating, and people that had the more expensive wine stayed longer at their meals and ate more than the people that had cheaper wine, which was the Trader Joe's wine. Because, sorry, I didn't explain that right, but the people that saw a cheap bottle of wine were just like, oh, this food isn't good, this ambiance isn't great, like, and so it was all psychological.
Cassidy's kind of a globetrotter, she'll know.
We're fine. Should I explain that experiment again?
Hold on. No, I think you're good. I think we're okay with the experiment.
I feel like I really messed it up.
Yeah, it's okay. We got the gist.
6 muffins.
Dani, you pretty stressed out?
So this one is the mesquite sirloin steak, and you can see it says expert level. So I really need the focus. If everybody could just leave me alone for 5 seconds. You need to focus. I don't think that you can cook the oven and the stovetop at the same time.
Sure you can.
No.
It's heating.
No, look.
You're heating the back ones.
Oh! I'm an idiot.
Dani, come on. It's okay. It's a new stovetop.
You said you were gonna get a Trader Joe's fall candle for me.
I'm sorry.
Did you forget?
Yeah, I did. Honestly.
I know, because that was one of the fall essentials for the video.
I know.
Well, good news is it's right down the road. Okay, Cassie's working on dessert for us. She accidentally put the roof on the sides. This is really tough. I feel like my hands are gonna be like sore tomorrow.
To be honest, I was gone for like I was only gone for like 5 minutes, and you did this. That was pretty impressive. Say hi. Say hi.
Come on. Transparency is our policy. Okay. The Honey Crisp Apple Scented Candle. Oh my gosh, it actually smells like crisp apple.
Is the food burning? No, you're good.
Got it, look. I know, I feel like fall candles are like the thing on YouTube. It's like, if you don't have a fall candle on YouTube, like, are you really on YouTube?
What are you even doing?
But because it's in one of these like containers that is still exposed, I'm gonna like put it away from the dog.
Yeah.
So that nobody lights the place on fire. Here, I have an idea. Come over here. Look. We'll put it up here.
When the light is burning, everyone else knows that we're home.
What's that from? I don't know.
My brain. Okay, so we're stirring up the Brussels sprouts. You already cooked the quinoa rice, which is part of it. What do we have left?
I am going to add olive oil to the Brussels sprouts and the apples, and I'm going to stir those both lightly until they're browned or tender.
Ooh.
You want me
Cassidy, I'm very confused. What, did you just cut yourself? Why are you so twitchy? You're in a room full of 4 people. Where else could we be? So you're putting cheese and apple.
No, it's a potato and apple. Potato and cheese.
Oh, it's potato.
Yeah.
I was so confused because from over on the other side of the room, it just seemed like you were cooking cheese. Whoa, what's up with you?
Doesn't this look like a knife in a scary movie?
That's not even the
Oh, this isn't the one. Hold on. It's
Whoa,
this
whoa,
one.
whoa, whoa.
No, this isn't even the one.
Danny, that is like so not how you
No.
hold a knife.
Here it is. This is the one.
Danny, that is so not how you hold a
You know what
knife.
I like about it?
What?
You can see if there's anything in your teeth. Oh my god, babe, why didn't you tell me?
All right, so it's time for my contribution here. Tea. Oh my gosh. Guys, smell how strong this is.
Waft it.
Isn't it strong?
Wow, that's crazy.
It smells so
it smells
good.
good.
Guys, you know what's funny is it seems like we're like running around so chaotic and all we're doing is cooking a meal for 2 and it's like 4 of us trying to figure this out.
So today, I'm gonna do an OOTD with Cassidy. Sometimes I call her Casadea, and I don't know if she likes it, but I do it anyway. Today, I am wearing this t-shirt that I got from college, and I ordered it in a large so that I could sleep in it and be comfortable, but I am wearing shorts that are from Lululemon. And then I threw on a cardigan that's from Revolve. What brand is this again?
About us.
Oh, it's About Us. It's really good. Isn't it affordable?
Yeah, like 50.
It's like $50, $60, and it's really cute.
Chanel.
It's chenille. I love this color. I feel like it's my color, you know what I mean?
I love it.
Like, you know how sometimes like you see a color and you're like, that's my color? Well, this is it for me. But no, it really is so soft. So I'll link it for you guys down in the description box.
What's up guys, I'm wearing a white shirt from J. Crew. I'm wearing my my dark denim Page jeans.
You guys, this is proof that Cassidy is like my mama. Always taking care of me in the kitchen, helping me cook. Look at my real mom. She's over there watching Netflix. Mom, what season are you on?
First season.
So I diced up the cranberries, so we're putting those over.
Oh my gosh, Danny, this actually looks so good.
Babe, I know, I'm a good chef.
High five, give me the girl.
And then I need the crumbled goat cheese, crumbled goat cheese, crumbled goat cheese.
Shoe chef.
We're done.
Oh my gosh, look at
This is the harvest bowl.
What do you want?
Oh, doorbell.
Whoa, Grand Central Steak. The doorbell rang, it's like 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
It was a tow truck and we thought she was getting towed and then he just was like, hey, what happened to the building next door? And it got demolished.
We're like, don't show up in front of our house with a tow truck.
And we were like, are you here to tow us? And he's like, no, not at all.
Mom, you need to be eating. I mean, I'm always taking care of her. Mom, did you steal those headphones from me? Mom, those are mine.
Oh shoot. Give me a kiss on cheek and see if your lips are pulled off.
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Okay, so thank you so much for watching our video. Y'all, we've been cooking with Home Chef for over a month now. With Home Chef has been like such a blessing. I actually have $30 off of your first order. If you use the link in my description box, you can get $30 off. I think the code is Dani30. So make sure y'all use that if you want to check it out. And then also like for the next, I think until November 17th, you can, if you cook with Home Chef, you have a chance to win over $1,000 to Home Chef in credit and some really cool prizes and everything. So make sure you check that out. We'll have the website for them down below. But yeah, I really hope you'll enjoy this video. It was really fun for us to film and we're really excited to have this home to just invite more people over, cook for them, and have fun.